Okay, in this video we will check how can we set up commission for our each product. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the affiliate manager, click on affiliate manager, and then we have to click on configuration. There is an advanced computation, we have to click in here. So after that, what we have to do, we have to create one and give the name of this. Let's say commission for products, commission for product, commission for product. After giving that commission for product, what we have to do, we have to add a price list. In this price list, we will create we can create global category wise, we can create for product, each product. So let's say we want to create for product, so I'm going to give the product name balcony smartphone accessory kit. Let's say this one. So I want to copy this name and paste it here, so that we can later on we can check that what we have done in here. So I want to provide the name something like that. So I want to give the fixed price, let's say $3, and I want to save it. So this product, whenever someone sell this product under his profile, the $3 commission will be added. So I'm going to save it, and I want to add a few more product. So that's for product. I want to add 3 as well. For which product I want to add, let's say I want to add for something else from here. Let's say Samsung, this one. Okay, I'm going to copy this name again and paste it in the top and save. So there are two products I have used for fixed price, which is $3, and I want to make it to $5. Okay, save it. So after save this, okay, save it, done. So this is how we can set up the commission for each product. Bye bye.